Percentage of mark in sciences, out of 75, 60 into 100 becomes percentage, so 80%. Then 84 out of 100 in maths. That means percentage of marks in maths is out of 100, 84. मतलब है directly है into 100 में कितना? It is as good as directly also I could have written 84%. Then 36 out of 15 Hindi. Percentage in Hindi equals to out of 50. 36. Then in 100, how much? 50 into 2. 72%. Then percentage in English. Out of 45, 30. So in 100, how much? 5 into 9 and 5 into 20. 3 3s are 9, 3 into 10. So 200 upon 3. 3 into 6, 18. 3 6, 18.67%. So can you tell which percentage is least? English, no?
Sir, English.
And which is the best one?
Maths.
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 So just copy this, then I am writing further. Copy.
Done, sir.
Sir, I was still writing.
Write bit fast, man.
Yes. Done.
Write fast.
Sir, I finished writing.
Okay. So best performance is in maths. Worst
English.
performance is in English. Then third part they want what is aggregate percentage of mark. Aggregate percentage of mark is equals to marks obtained, total marks obtained out of total marks written into 100. Total marks obtained is 60 in science, 84 in maths, 36 in Hindi and 30 in English out of this 60 was out of 75 plus maths was out of 100 plus 50 plus 45 into 100. Just add 60, 84, 36 and 30. Tell me what you will get.
Sir, 210.
How much? 210
And then upon 270.
into 100. 1 0 you can cancel. 3 into 9. 3 into 7. 70. So this is 700 upon 9. 9 into 7, 63. Again 7 remainder. So 77.77%. Solve. Have you followed, Sudhanshu?
Yes, sir.
Arnav, Shreyash, Ashmit, everybody has followed?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, do properly.
So can you wait 2 minutes?
Can you?
Wait 2 minutes.
I am waiting substantial time. Once everybody has said you have done, I will not go ahead. Don't worry.
Sir, I finished writing.
Everybody has finished writing now?
Yes.
Sir, I have also finished.
Yes, Shreyash, what about you? I think Shreyash went to washroom. After this, which one you wanted? 12th, no? Teacher has done 12th.
Yes, sir, 12.
Okay. See, since they have done in last moment, they may not ask you any new sum, but mostly it will be either same or same type. Shreyash, have you returned back?
Yes, sir. I had finished it long time ago.
No, but you said wait, no?
Sir, that was because I wanted to go to washroom.
Okay. Sum number 12. The price of tea increased by 20%. How much percent a housewife should reduce the consumption of tea so as to increase the expenditure on so as not to increase the expenditure on tea. That means suppose मैं 100 रुपए का चाय पी रहा हूँ बराबर 10 कप
Yes.
तो एक कप का प्राइस कितना दिया मैंने 10 रुपए ना
Yes, sir.
चाय वाले ने प्राइस 20 रुपया कर दिया लेकिन मैं बोला मैं तो 100 का ही पीऊंगा तो मैं क्या करूंगा 5 ही पीने वाला हूँ ना
Yeah.
So I didn't lost anything. Only I lost taste of 5 more cups. Because I said my limited expenditure is 100. सस्ता रहेगा तो ज्यादा खाऊंगा महंगा रहेगा तो कम. Not followed.
Yes. Followed, sir.
Followed, sir.
What is same? My expenditure is same.
Yes.
So they're telling the price of tea is increased by 20%. So I'm writing like this.
Sir, so let cost of tea be 100 rupees per kg.
Yes.
No, it's not kg given, no? It is given total cost.
Ah, sir, वही.
How much percentage the housewife should reduce? So let the housewife reduces consumption by X%. Consumption by X%. What is same? Total expenditure is same, na?
Expenditure.
Total expenditure is same. So expenditure before and expenditure after is same. That means total cost before total cost after is same, correct?
Yes, sir.
So since price is increased by 20%, let the housewife reduces consumption by X%. Reduced by X% means whatever was consumed earlier minus X%.
Yes.
So since ka sign is upside
Mhm.
down of therefore, right?
What?
Since the sign of since is upside down of therefore, right?
Therefore. What was the original price given? Not given, huh? Is it given? Original
No,
price?
sir. It's not given.
Oh, it's not given. Only it is given that how much they should reduce. So
Yes.
what I will do, how much consumption reduced. तो थोड़ा उसको ना 100 से चालू करते इजी होएगा.
Yeah.
मतलब अगर X यूनिट था, X कंजम्पशन X यूनिट था, तो प्राइस सपोज 100 रुपीज था, तो नया प्राइस ऑफ X यूनिट will be whatever price it has been increased by. So then should read that sum.
Okay, sir. The price of tea is increased by 20%. By how much percent a housewife should reduce the consumption of tea so as not to increase their expenditure on tea?
Increased by 20%. So let the earlier consumption be X units, क्योंकि kg वैसा दिया नहीं तो X units. तो स्टार्टिंग में X कंज्यूम किया and let its price be 100 rupees 100. मतलब X रुपए का जैसा बोला ना, चाय पिया 10 कप, तो X यूनिट 100 रुपए का लिया, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
So new price of same X units will be rupees 120 or not, क्योंकि अभी 20%
Yes,
रेट
sir.
बढ़ गया 120. सो रुपीज 100 का अगर रहेगा तो कितना यूनिट लेगा? 120 में उसको कितना यूनिट मिला? X यूनिट मिला ना अभी, लेकिन उसको तो 100 रुपया ही खर्चा करने का है.
Yes.
So I'm writing in unitary form 120 corresponds to X, नया प्राइस वाला. तो 100 रुपीज में नया प्राइस वाला हाउ मच आई विल गेट?
So
Can
we
I-
can do it in instead. We can take the price of tea in 100 rupees per kg and then increase it by 20%. So the increased price would be 120 and then cost of 100 kg, then it would go that way.
This is something different we are doing. Let the earlier consumption be X unit, cost is 100. तो नया वाला सेम X यूनिट के लिए 120 रुपया देना पड़ेगा ना, बट आई हैव इन माय पॉकेट ओनली 100, so I'm searching how much I'm purchasing. 120 X, then if I have 100, then I will not be able to purchase X, but 4 by 5 of X. Okay,
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
just copy this much. No, price is 120. I wrote 125. 120, 20 into 5, 20 into 6. Nabish. हाँ 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 ओके, उतने ही है उसमें. हाँ हाँ करेक्ट, हाँ हाँ हाँ। अच्छा, कल बढ़ेगा क्या कुछ है न्यूज़? हाँ वे होना तो चाहिए ऐसा लगता है मेरे को, नहीं तो 1 महीने के बाद होगा, क्योंकि ये तो टेम्पररी फेज है, बगैर कुछ रीजन तो नहीं है इसका। हाँ, और मतलब फंडामेंटल्स का कोई तो रीजन नहीं लग रहा है। और ये भी शायद अभी न्यूज में आया कि कल से आज कम राइज हुआ थोड़ा। हाँ, नंबर्स कल से आज कम है थोड़ा। कंट्रोल हुआ तो फिर हो जाएगा, नहीं तो फिर लॉकडाउन जाएगा। हाँ 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 हाँ, यस यस यस। पर इतना प्रॉफिट बुकिंग तो नहीं होगा, पर पैनिक सेलिंग हो सकता है। हाँ, अभी देखो आपका उसमें शेर खान में था वो, कोल इंडिया का था वो, टारगेट 36 होना चाहिए था अगर शॉप प्लस के नीचे नहीं आता तो। अभी कोल इंडिया का कल देखो वापस पीएमओ का बैठे तो ये कुछ से बोलते हैं, तो याद ही तो बोल नहीं सकते हैं, इसलिए मैंने कैश में लेके रखा कि थोड़ा अगर कुछ हुआ तो बाकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा। ठीक है फिर, यस कंप्लीटेड।
Yeah, sir. Done.
चलो अभी एकदम सिंपल है, समझ गए आपको क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
Yes, sir.
मतलब आई हैव गॉट 100 रुपीज, मुझे एक्स मिला खाना, लेकिन रेट बढ़ गया तो मुझे एक्स से कम मिलेगा खाना। तो पहले
Yes.
मैंने क्या सोचा, क्या एक्स प्राइस बढ़ के उतने खाने का कितना प्राइस है, मतलब 100 में एक्स आया, ज्यादा वाला प्राइस में कितना आएगा, दैट आई जस्ट फाउंड। ओके,
Okay, sir.
देखो फिर से एक बार पूरा समझो। एक दुकान है, उसके पास 10 मैंगोज है, तो उसने बोला आई विल सेल दिस मैंगोज एट 10 रुपीज ईच। नेक्स्ट डे आई वेंट, he said no, 12 rupees. तो सेम 10 मैंगोज का I have to give how much?
120.
120. So I counted, अरे 120 देना पड़ेगा, लेकिन अपने पास तो 100 रुपया ही है, तो सेम मैंगो का 120 में सेम नंबर ऑफ मैंगो मिलेगा, तो 100 में कितना मैंगो मिलेगा?
Okay.
बराबर ना?
Yeah, sir.
हाँ
तो 100 में हाउ मच आई गॉट नाउ? 5x by 6 ना, न्यू वाला।
Yes.
तो रिडक्शन करना पड़ेगा ना पहले वाले से अभी,
Yes, sir.
x माइनस दिस, तो रिडक्शन किया तो मुझे कितना मिला?
1/6.
x upon 6 x upon 6
हाँ, तो परसेंटेज में वी वांट ना, means
Yes,
out
sir.
of 100. So I'm just framing this equation. Now reduction in consumption. First I was consuming x, when rate बढ़ गया तो 5/6x. That means I'm consuming only 1/6 of x. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So percentage reduction will be how much? Percentage means out of 100 how much? So from when total x में से I am reduced to 1/6, okay? तो 100 रहेगा तो कितना करूंगा, बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझा? x का मैंने 1/6 x कम लिया है ना,
Yes.
मतलब अगर पहला 12 मैंगो ले सकता था, अभी 10 मैंगो लिया खाली,
Yes, sir.
तो परसेंटेज में कितना, मतलब 10 लिया मतलब 2 कम लिया ना, तो 12 में 2 कम हो गया, 100 में कितना कम? So x consumption has reduced by 1/6. 100 will be how much? I can cancel this x. What is
Yes.
100 upon 6? It is nothing but 50/3. Now 3 into 1 is 3, remainder 2, 3 6 are 18.33, 3 1s are 3, 16, remainder 2, 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 will be recurring. You can write 16.67%. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Again, I'm
No.
explaining this now. Copy. Yeah, आएगा पक्का. Market very important because it is bit twisted one. Shall I clear everything now?
Yes.
Sir, I
Sir,
wrote
sir,
as
wait.
2.3%.
A 16 2 by 3 also you can write. Not a problem. Shall I clear everything?
Yeah, sir. Now you can.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
once again, see what we have understood. In 100 rupees, I was getting X unit at the start. Price is increased by 12%. So in 20%. So I will get X unit in 120 rupees, correct?
Yes.
So in 100, I will purchase how much? It will be 100 upon 120 of X. So 20 into 5, this much I will purchase now. So how much I purchased less? Original I was getting this much. Then I purchased 5 by 6x. So I took 1/6x, itna less. तो x में से 1/6 कम खरीदा 100 में कितना? This is the actual answer. x cancel becomes 50 by 3, which you can write 16 2 by 3 or 16.67%. Fully followed?
Followed, sir.
Sudhanshu, you explain me meaning first. Let x unit be purchased for 100 rupees. Then price is increased by 120 by 20%. Therefore, x unit will now cost 120 rupees. So in 100 rupees, how much you will get? 100 upon 120 into x, only 5 by 6, na?
Yes.
Yes.
So reduction is original x, new 5 by 6x. That means 1/6x, you want percentage. 1/6x has become less in x into 100. Now answer will come. Shall I go ahead with new sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashmit, very good. Sum number now 19th, na?
Sir, 16.
16. In an examination, 30% of the candidate failed in English. 30% failed in English. 35 in GK. And 27% failed in both the subject. 310 candidates passed in both. How many candidates appeared in the examination? How many candidates appeared in the examination? See, whenever it is given like this, say suppose this is one side of table, this is another side of table. This is, I have written English, this I wrote GK. I said those who have passed in English, please come and sit here. सब लोग आके इधर बैठे जो इंग्लिश में पास हुए थे. Those who have passed in GK, sit here. तो एक बच्चा ने हाथ उठाया, बोला सर I have passed in GK also, what should I do? I said अपना एक पैर इधर डालो. GK वाला बोला I have passed in English, तो उसने अपना पैर इधर डाल दिया. ठीक है? तो ये क्या हो गया? दोनों में पास होने वाला हो गया ना? No?
Yes, sir.
So if I am counting English wala, only English wala, so I will leave this or not, because only English is different.
Yes.
So for that we are making one diagram representation. This is circle for past only in English. And this is circle for GK. तो बीच वाला क्या है? Past in both
For
ना?
both.
Both.
Both, yes. So how many have passed in both? Start from there. If there are total 100 people, please keep yourself muted. How many percent have passed in both? First start from that. Failed in,
110.
failed in both they are here. Failed in both means they are neither inside nor outside ना? They are outside. मतलब ये लोग को ऐसा बाहर छोड़ दिए. वो लोग को बोला punishment है. How many of them have failed in both?
27%.
Out of 100, 27% failed in both. They are waiting outside.
Done, sir.
Pardon?
Done.
30% failed in English. 35 failed in GK. Oh, सब failed वाला ही दिया है. चलो वैसे एक बार वापस समझाता हूँ. Failed वाला दिया, pass वाला दिया ही नहीं इसमें. So this is suppose one set. Failed in English, failed in GK, failed in both. Failed in both is 27. Failed in English 30. तो only English कितना हो गया? 3 ना? ये पूरा इंग्लिश है. उसमें से 27 दोनों में हो गया. तो इसमें से 27 गया तो ये 3 बचेगा ना इधर. तो इसको ज्वाइन करूंगा तो ये 27 प्लस 3% होएगा. ओके?
Okay, sir.
आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? से वो पूरा बेंच है ऐसा. ओनली इंग्लिश वाला इधर 27 ने दोनों जगह पे पैर रखा है ना, दोनों जगह पे पास है.
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes.
पूरा काउंट करूंगा इंग्लिश में तो 1 2 3 प्लस ये भी आएगा ना साथ में.
Yes.
Followed that circling followed meaning?
Yes, sir.
That means this is
Yes.
one classroom. I told those who have failed in both, this is English, this is GK. जो पास है वो बेंच पे नहीं बैठ रहे बेचारे लोग, ये लोग बाहर खड़े हैं. Out of 100. So how many failed in both? Out of 100, how many failed in both?
27%.
27%. And how many in English? 30. So out of that 30, 27 so they are failed in GK also. So here will be only 3.
Here will be 8.
GK 35, so there will be 8. This becomes how much total? 3 plus 2.
11.
Total
Total. 38.
38. So how many are waiting outside out of 100? 100 minus 38 will get outside, which will become 62.
Yes, sir.
So if 300 candidate passed in both, how many candidate appeared in the exam? So if 100, then how many will pass? 62, correct?
Yes.
And if 300 candidate passed in both, then suppose X attended, 310 passed. So it will be X into 62 is 100 into 310. Therefore,
Sir,
X equals to,
what was that X and 300? I didn't get that.
when 100 people are sitting for the exam, 35%, 27% failed in both. So out of 100, 27 are here. 35 failed in GK. So 27 has already put flag here. Only GK is 8. Only English is 3. So total failure students are this, which we counted as 38. So passed student is 62. So out of 100, how many passed? 62.
62.
So if 310 passed, how many were there? Let it be X.
Okay.
So from there I got here. This is 32 into 10, 32 into 2, 2 into 5. That means total 500 students they sat for the exam. Now I am telling you the steps. This one you have followed?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Solution 16. Let total students sitting for exam be 100. Therefore, students failed in GK and English equals to 30 कितना percent को? 27%. 27%. That means equal to 27, correct? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So student failed in GK. How much percent?
35%.
35%. That means 35. Because we are taking out of 100. So 35% means 35. Therefore, students failed only in GK. See, failed in GK means they might have passed in English, na?
Yes, sir.
So only in
Yes.
GK is 37 minus 27, 35 minus 27, 8. Same way, students failed in English equals to 30%. That means 30. Therefore, students failed only in English equals to total 30 minus 27 equals to 3. Just write this much, then I am making that box. Whenever passed in both, failed in both given, fill that circle first. Then balance is only in that subject. See, since I have taken starting as 100, so all percentage is nothing but that number. All are out of 100 only.
So 20th one is a big one.
So we will solve in big only. Can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm still writing. So now I finished writing.
Okay. So this is suppose one classroom. where the student, those who have failed, they are asked to sit on the chair, and those who have passed in both out of 100 student, they are waiting outside because they have to be shifted to other classroom. So this is one set of student. This is another set of students, and outside means those who have passed in both. So this is English, this is GK, failed in both 27. So this is 8, total 35, failed in GK, 3, total 30 failed in English. And out of 27 were in program. So left out will be 100 minus 38 equal to 62 are waiting outside. So I can say now, when 62 students passed, then 100 students appeared. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Then when how many students passed? That saying 310. So when 310 students passed, then let X students appeared. So can I say therefore X will be 310 into 100 upon 62 by cross multiplying. 300 into 100 upon 62. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This if you simplify, 31 into 10, 31 into 2, 2 into 50. So X equals to 500. So number of students appeared for exam were 500. Copy.
Sir, I finished writing.
Others have also finished writing. Others have also
Done, sir.
finished. Okay. Now some number.
Done, sir.
Some number 20 now will be doing. Some number 20. In an election between two candidates, 10% of voter did not cast. So I'm just writing roughly, don't write. Election is between two candidates, suppose A and B, 10%. does not cast a vote. %10 were invalid. They made mistake in voting invalid. Successful candidate got 54% of valid vote. And won by majority of 162. What is meaning of majority of 1620? मतलब इसको अगर 1 मिला रहेगा तो इसको 162021 मिला ना, तो ये कितना ज्यादा हो गया? 1620 ज्यादा हुआ ना मेजॉरिटी।
Oh,
ये मीनिंग है ना। इसको 10 मिला तो इसको 1630 मिलेगा, तो माइनस करके इसको 1620 मिल गया वोट, है ना ज्यादा। मेजॉरिटी
Yes, sir.
मतलब उतना ज्यादा वोट से ये जीत गया। तो बी का वोट निकालता हूं मैं, ए का वोट निकालता हूं, दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है? 1620।
yes,
10% वोट कास्ट ही नहीं हो गया
Yes.
ना, 10% इनवैलिड हो गया। तो 10% ऑफ एक्स, 10% ऑफ दिस एंड 45% ऑफ वैलिड इसको मिला, तो इसको कितना परसेंट मिलेगा वैलिड का? 54% ऑफ वैलिड। तो रिमेनिंग कितना हो गया वैलिड का? 100 में से 54 माइनस करो, 46।
46, sorry.
तो 46% ऑफ वैलिड दूसरे वाले को मिला ना।
Yes,
तो फर्स्ट वाले का वैलिड माइनस सेकंड वाले का वैलिड कितना है? 1620 है ना। हेलो।
yes, sir.
So first I have to find what is the total valid vote, and then उसका 54% A को मिला, उसका 46% B को मिला, and difference is how much? 1620. Conceptually you all followed meaning?
Yes, sir.
Find the number of voters enrolled on the list. Let number of voters enrolled be X. All enrolled are giving the vote, or only the people giving are? Hello?
Not all are given.
All are not giving, no?
Yes, sir.
So
The valid ones are given.
10% did not cast. Since 10% did not cast vote, therefore number of people casting vote equals to, did not cast 10%, 90 upon 100 x. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
10% तो गया ही नहीं घर से बाहर, तो only 90% of total went.
Yes, sir.
अभी इसमें से सबने अच्छे से दिया ही नहीं नोट वोट, कोई कोई इनवैलिड वोट दिया। सो परसेंटेज ऑफ इनवैलिड कितना?
10.
10 है, 10। तो परसेंटेज ऑफ इनवैलिड मतलब 10% ऐसा, तो 100 में इतना इनवैलिड। सो टोटल इनवैलिड वोट्स इक्वल्स टू 100 में से 10 इनवैलिड है ना, तो 90
Yes.
अपॉन 100 में कितना रहेगा इनवैलिड? नॉट फॉलो दिस लाइन।
Followed, sir.
10 20 10 20 cancel, so you are getting how much? 9 upon 100 x is invalid. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this much copy. Now only two more lines, copy this much. X voter were there, 10% did not went, only 90 upon 100 of total went. उसमें भी 10% लोग ने गलत मार्क कर दिया, so 90 upon 100 x का 10%, I got 9 by 100 x. These are actual valid voters. 9 upon 100 are actual valid voters. Invalid voters. Once you complete till this, please tell.
Sir, I finished writing.
Others have also written. Shreyash, Arnav,
Yes,
Sudhanshu.
done,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, sir, done.
We are interested now in valid votes. So valid votes are valid votes equals to कितना वैलिड है x में से
54.
क्या बोल रहे हो invalid we got 9 upon 100x so valid votes were x minus 9 by 10x 100
It should be 91x.
91 upon 100x is are valid उसमें से एक को 54% मिला दूसरे को one person got 54 other got 56 46 है ना
Yes.
so 54% of valid votes will be 54 upon 100 of 91 upon 100x then 46% of valid vote will be 46 upon 100 of 91 by 100x therefore according to condition one who won his votes are greater by other one what is difference in their votes total 1620 is difference in the vote concept understood fully properly hello
Yeah, sir.
till this followed
Followed.
Follow.
copy एकदम सिंपल है खाली कॉन्सेप्ट बराबर देखना टोटल पीपल वेर 10 x लिया मैंने 10% डिडंट वेंट मींस 10 upon 100 of x डिडंट वेंट गया खाली 90 by 100 उसमें से भी 10% इनवैलिड तो 10 upon 100 किया तो इसका लॉस इनवैलिड वोट गया वैलिड वोट इज x minus 9 upon 100x total people minus invalid is nothing but 91 upon 100x that is nothing but valid votes
Done, sir.
just read again first line read what I get given solution read properly read from your book read from start
Okay, sir. Let the number of voters enrolled be X. Therefore, 10% did not cast their vote. Therefore, number of people casted their vote is equal to 90x upon 100. Therefore, percentage of invalid votes is equal to 10%. Total invalid voters is equal to 10 upon 100 into 90x upon 100 is equal to 9x upon 100. Valid votes is equal to x minus 9x upon 100.
ना इधर मिस्टेक हो गया रुको वैलिड वोट मतलब इनवैलिड को निकाल के जो बच गया वो वैलिड वोट ना
Yeah, sir.
so 10% तो गया ही नहीं वो लोग किधर भी तो 10 upon 100 of x that means 1/10 of x they are not going only anywhere so went how much x minus 1/10 of x went no
Yes.
that means 9 upon 10 they went correct
Yes, sir.
to give the note vote this many people went लेकिन इसमें से सबने करेक्ट नहीं मार्क किया इसमें से कितना परसेंट ने गलत कर दिया 10 upon 100 1/10 10% ना
Yes.
so 10 cancel so that means 9 upon 100 people gave correct voting how many gave correct
9 upon 100.
of x they gave correct vote hello
Yeah, sir. Okay.
Valid votes means actual votes. Where 9 by 100, तो इधर माइनस करने का जरूरत नहीं है. 9 by 100 ही आएगा ना डायरेक्ट.
Yes.
वैलिड वोट्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये अगर क्लियर नहीं है तो सब रॉन्ग होगा. वैलिड वोट्स. People went for voting minus invalid vote is valid vote. Correct?
Correct, sir.
How many people went for voting? 90 upon
90.
100 of x है ना.
Yes.
और इनवैलिड कितना हो गया? 90
10.
अपॉन 100 में से 10% इनवैलिड हो गया. मतलब ये 005 के आंसर ये इनवैलिड हुआ ना 9 by x बराबर.
Yes, sir.
So left out will be not 91 but 81 upon 100x. Okay.
Okay, sir.
81 upon 100. ये खाली अगर wrong है तो सब wrong होगा. Now change your solution like this properly. Then within 2 minutes I will get the answer. Valid votes means number of people going to vote minus invalid. Invalid is 9 upon 100.
Done, sir.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Just multiply in rough. I'm taking C to make it easy. See how I'm doing. Anything you can take common in left hand side in the equations? Can we take
81 upon 100.
81 upon 100 into 100 into this x we can take common. So 54 minus 46 equals to 1620. So 81x into 14 minus 6 is 8. 81x into 8 upon 100 into 100 equals to 1620. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So therefore x will be 100 into 100 into 1620 upon 81 into 2. 81 का double is 160. 2 into 10. So x is 30,000. No, then 10. 81 into 2 is 20. 2 into 1, 2 x is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 100 into 100 is 10,000 into 10, 30,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello?
Yeah, sir.
This is 8 now, by mistake I did 8. So 81 into 20 is 1620. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. 2 into 50. So 2,500 people, 25,000 people went for voting. 5 5s are 25 and 30. Followed?
Okay, sir.
Copy till end. Then you have to explain me this sum. Just complete, then roughly I'm writing explanation once again.
Done, sir.
Now winner candidate won by 1620 vote. मतलब एक कैंडिडेट ए एक कैंडिडेट बी, whatever vote he get minus whatever weight second get, he got 1620 with ज्यादा, तो 1 by this much, बराबर. So if
Yes, sir.
if A gets 10, B gets 5, तो 15 वोट से A ज्यादा मिला ना, जीत गया. Same way if A gets 100, B gets 10, then 90 वोट ज्यादा से जीत गया. जिसका मीनिंग,
Yes, sir.
so I am finding vote of number of valid vote which winner gets and number of valid vote which loser gets. Difference is 1620. So we started sum like this. Let the number of people be x. 10% didn't went. So people going for the voting will be x minus 10% of x. 90 upon 100 x are going. But
Yes.
in invalid votes is 10% of the people going will be 10 upon 100 of 90 upon 100 x. That means 9 by 100 x is invalid. So valid vote equals to people going, which is 90 by 100 x. Invalid is 90 upon 100 x. So 81 upon 100 x. Is much clear? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
फर्स्ट वाले को कितना परसेंट मिला?
54.
54.
So 50%, 4 is 54 upon 100 of 81 upon 100 x. दूसरे वाले को 46% मिलेगा ना.
Yes.
So of valid vote, अभी दोनों में फर्क कितना है? 54 upon 100 of 81 upon 100 x minus 46 upon 100 of 81 upon 100 x is equals to 1620. Then we have to simplify. We got 25,000. Okay. Follow?
Okay, sir.
So read carefully. I think paper will not be that difficult because teacher has rushed the things. So please practice all the sums, and whenever you are